This faucet cleverly combines a full-featured pull-down sprayer with a dedicated filtered water outlet, so you can handle everyday washing and drinking water from one fixture. The separate internal pathways for filtered and regular water give real peace of mind by reducing the chance of cross-contamination and keeping purified water truly separate. Its tall open coil design and two-tone stainless steel and matte black finish create a professional industrial look that upgrades the feel of almost any kitchen. The swiveling spout and flexible spray hose make it easy to reach every corner of the sink, whether you are rinsing produce, filling large pots, or cleaning up after a meal. Connection to most under-sink filtration or reverse osmosis systems is straightforward, helped by the included lines and hardware that keep installation relatively hassle-free. Construction feels solid and substantial, and the spot-resistant finish helps the faucet stay cleaner looking with less frequent wiping and without harsh cleaners.